Hey tribe, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. We're jumping in the Wayback Machine again. We're back to October 3rd of 2024. We're finishing up Maine and getting into New Hampshire. What we've got for you in this video is a visit to what is probably my favorite dog park ever, in Bath, Maine. We're going to talk about the things that we didn't get to see as we go through this and just share a couple of clips with you along the way. And yes, we end up in yet another Walmart. So, as always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you to my channel members. I really appreciate your support. And if you want to consider joining the tribe, there'll be a QR code right here that you can scan or click the link. As always, do all the things, comment, share the video with anybody else you think might get something out of it. And oh yeah, I guess the last thing I'll mention in case you want to just stop before we get to the intro is this is all part of the lost footage stuff. Pretty short videos, but I'm doing this just so that I can retain the memories for when I no longer am able to be on the road. Hope you enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. We're going to roll the intro right now.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbyes. Journey calls, let's roll the dice. Every mile a new surprise.
Well, this is certainly the biggest dog park I've ever seen. Look at this. You can see where I'm parked over there. Goes over this little rise and all the way down to the water. It's even got a pier kind of thing. And it's all size dogs. He saw a bunch of them when we were getting turned around to park. He hasn't seen any to actually play with yet, but I think he's going to have an opportunity here in a minute. We shall see. Well, Kit's gotten to play with like 4 big dogs at one time, and I haven't been filming because I wanted to be, ready in case I needed to intervene. He did tuck his tail at one point when 4 of them were trying to sniff him, but he did pretty well. So far, this seems to have been a good choice to come here. So we're walking all the way out to the little point here. I guess this is a dry dock facility. You can see a pretty sizable ship back up in there. Oh, General Dynamics. Huh. Okay, good to know. And there's Kit doing his thing. Let me go pick that up. This may indeed be the best dog park I've ever seen. I mean, look at this. Just look at it. Beautiful location. No small area with a separation of big dogs and little dogs. And everybody seems to be getting along just fine. Now there's a dog pooping over there, and I don't see a person moving to pick it up, which is definitely against the rules. I have to admit, I am in general not a big poop picker-upper, but I also think it's important to follow the rules. So there's that. There he is. There's the good boy. Here comes this guy. Hi. Hi. How friendly are you? Pretty friendly. Yeah. Everybody say hi. I definitely brought the smallest dog here. He is without a doubt the smallest dog. But he's doing okay. He's doing okay. He already met Smiley over here, the brown one. Look, this one's not too big. This is closer to his own size. I think I definitely brought the smallest dog. So the dog park was among my last stops in Maine, but here we are at the Biddeford Pool along the coast as we're heading south. And it was so beautiful. I just had to stop and, well, since I lost all the footage from our next stop in Kennebunk, Maine, I have decided to show you the website for the location instead. This is the Wedding Cake House. And according to them, and I'm showing you this because I don't want to get, hit for using copyrighted photos or anything like that. So this is apparently the most photographed house in Maine. It was built in 1825, and the romantic architecture and maritime history of this private estate make it an enchanted destination that they look forward to sharing with love. So what was kind of cool was that there were a whole lot of people on the street. I mean, it's really not a very big street. Bunch of people on the street just taking pictures. I shot some video there, but I no longer have it. So this is what you get instead. And at the end of the day, we are at yet another Walmart in Seabrook, New Hampshire.